Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if it is your first time watching, please subscribe to the family, stay the go. I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning subscribers, my supporters. I love you guys a bunch and appreciate each one of you a lot. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the old tape of your taping extensions and how to apply the new tape. So if you, in case that you want to change your hair, take it out, touch up your roots or whatever and use the same hair, you can do it. You just have to remove the old tape and add the new one. So I'm just going to bring you guys to the table. So I'm going to be showing you guys going to see my hands, what I do and how I do it. Okay, so let's do this. Alright guys, so here I have an old tape. This is the extension with the old tape. So we just, for remove this old tape, what you're going to do is you're just going to spray a little bit of the tape remover on the tape, and you're just gonna massage a little bit into start to peel it off, and it's quite easy. So if you see here, I already have the tape starting to peel it off. So we're just going to, my hand now is oily, so we're just gonna grab here and just pull it out, that old tape. See, it comes out pretty easy. And you got the old tape. So what you want to do now, you want to clean the area where you're going to add the new tape. Really clean, so you don't have the remover on. And when you have your extension clean, that's ready for receive the new tape. Just make sure you give a good rub there. Alright, so now we're just going to get a new set of tape. And this tape here, you're just going to peel on the side here, a new tape. Just like that. Try to don't touch the tape so much so you don't ruin it. So now we're just gonna get your extension and you're gonna apply one end at a time. So trying to turn so you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah. Now we just press in place. And there you have it. So your extension now, it's new, ready for go back in. So when you're going to apply to your hair, you just peel this side off and you just apply to the hair and apply the second tape under. And that's all. That's how easy it is to remove your old tape and apply a new tape so you can style on your hair. I hope this was informative. If you guys have any question about the taping extensions and the retape, please leave in the comments below. Okay, so that's what's all guys. That's how easy it is to remove your old tape and to put a new tape in, and now your extension is new to reapply on your hair. That's how simple. So you can do it yourself. And for remove the tape home, you just apply a little bit of the liquid that remove the tape to the root, massage a little bit and let it sit there for a minute or two. And when they start falling apart, just go there, pull them open, and it's out. That's how easy it is. So you don't have to go to somebody to take them out for you. You can do it yourself if you want, and to save yourself money. It's easy. Alright, so I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was informative. If you guys have any other question about the hair extensions or about anything, just let me know. And this hair extension is from the brand Irresistible. They are fabulous. You guys seen them on my channel before. I'm gonna do a couple more videos for you guys on the hair extension and how to care for them. So just keep watching, okay? Thank you for watching and see you guys next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, to the family, stay down below. See you guys later.